Here we disassemble a part cell containing lithium against lithium. We hope to see some dendrites. Take out the sleeve from the cell base. The cell base is completely dry, no contamination with electrolyte. Detach the upper plunger. Lithium metal electrode is sticking to the upper plunger. And you see on the separator inside the sleeve, you see the dendritic grayish lithium grown into the separator. I remove the lower plunger. Again, part of the lithium is sticking to the separator, so the separator breaks down into two layers. On the right you see the grayish lithium. And when I immerse a piece of the separator into water, you see the reaction of the lithium. The same can of course be done with the two electrodes sticking to the plungers. This is the lower plunger. And here it's the same with the upper plunger. The back side of the lithium foil is shiny, and only where the tweezers is in contact with the lithium you see a black color because there was water on the tweezers. Okay, I'm done.